Okay, so welcome to another video by Destinations by Del Castillo, and we are at the very famous and historical Strater Hotel in downtown Durango, Colorado. So we happen to get the Louis L'Amour room, which is really exciting, and room 222 on the second floor on the corner of the building. But here's just a quick little view of the hallway of this really historical hotel, and down these stairs is the front desk and the main lobby. Howdy. Okay, so now keep in mind this is really a historical hotel. I mean, if you Google the history on it, it's really interesting. Louis L'Amour stayed in the suite and wrote some of his books and got a lot of inspiration for his Western novels from Durango and the surrounding area. So this is a king-size bed. They're known for having a lot of Victorian era antiques. And I'll just give you like a 360 on this room, and then I'll give you a little bit more detail. It's neat because we're on the corner, which can be noisy, but it's also really cool. So anyway, they have the entire collection of the Louis L'Amour books. And so I'll put my back to the door. And okay, so we have a king-size bed, and they have they've done the little foot blanket, kind of cute, and then the information about the hotel. And then over here, even the nightstands are like gorgeous with the marble. And so over here is a cute little couch and seating area with the coffee table. Here's a view. This is towards the train tracks. And then out this window, it's a view towards if you came into town, like up by the Purgatory Ski Resort, or from Ouray, and then a little more of Old Town downtown here. And now my back is to the couch, and we have a little table that is a noise canceling, like a white noise machine at the bottom. And then the TV over here is the dresser and mirror with the coffee maker and coffee supplies. And that little book on the top is a journal that is specific to this room. So they encourage their guests to write a little page about their stay. So anyway, here's this view over here now. And out this window. Now this goes more towards the dead end of downtown here. And if you are taking a train ride, you actually just go straight down the street about a block and a half. So now my back is by the dresser. This has a really cute little table and complimentary waters. There's the king-size bed again. We have a mini fridge in here, but that's because we requested it. So they will definitely, if you need it for any reason, they'll put one in your room. And then there's an iron and ironing board and robes and a few hangers. It's just basic closet. They do have laundry service that you can send out for, and the stuff for that is in the closet. Okay, so again, because it is at a really old hotel, you're going to get a really old bathroom, and that's okay. So teeny tiny. I hope I can get good shots of it. So they do give you really nice toiletries, tissue, old-fashioned sink and mirror, and then here it is, your shower and tub situation. So it does the trick. It's really clean and operational and everything, but it is your teeny tiny old-fashioned bathroom. The floor is actually pretty gorgeous because it's gorgeous tile that is age appropriate. So Yeah, look at the hinges on this door. Isn't that cool? So just saying. Anyway, okay. So beautiful wallpaper. It's just really cool. All of the molding in this room is pretty amazing around the windows, and it's just a really neat situation. They've done a good job of updating, really keeping it as historical as possible, but also keeping it pretty updated with like electricity and plumbing and all that kind of stuff, and heating and air conditioning. Beautiful stained glass windows. Didn't want to give that up. And then some of the artwork. And so I would say if you're ever in Durango, this would be the place to stay. At least give it a couple nights. And anyway, so thank you for watching another video by Destinations by Del Castillo. And feel free to comment, leave questions. We'd love for you to like and subscribe. And one more go around here. All right. Thanks for watching.